What's up, guys? By the end of the video, you are gonna want me to be a sponsor for your brand. That's right. Cooper and I can educate people about something about guard dogs, possibly sponsoring your product. While I'm going around doing gardening stuff, there's all kinds of ways that we could end up leveraging your channel or your service, possibly use a software, like how to plant this with this basic planting one. We have exclusivity, that's a possibility as well, or we can end up going with your competition. It just depends on the needs of what you're looking for. Why am I qualified? Outside the fact that I actually specialize in running, owning, operating, turning, flipping businesses, I know a thing about marketing or two. And all this channel is, it was created, started, monetized in under a year, and is about to break out of the nano segment. That is very intentional and on purpose. No matter what kind of sponsorship you're looking for, whether it be for your brand or your service, I work directly with the sales and marketing company, and we figure out what your needs are. And I then craft my content around what your goals are. I'm not just someone that you pop a logo up. Some people just want a logo. Some people want brand placement but not talked about. Some people want exclusive segments. Many different things. Who even watches my channel and what is it about? Well, my entire brand is about how to do gardening and things like that with ease with little to no work. A lot of people on my channel are 50 and above, which means they have that expendable income, which is rare to find because most of those folks are on Facebook. But interestingly enough, I also have a large portion of people from 20 years old all the way to 35. My primary viewership, again, is in the US, Canada, Australia, UK, those kinds of places. And my demographics vary from time to time. My CPM predominantly will change around based on the season, just like all the other YouTubers. You are unaware, September through December is the highest CPM, and the main reason for that is because ad agencies are trying to sponsor people to buy stuff for the holidays. There are some crazy tips and tricks out there to get people to watch, and for instance, you're still watching this video for some reason, even if you're not interested in sponsoring me. Well, why would that be? Is it the ridiculous outfit? Is it the position of the frame? Is it there's constantly something happening in the background? No, the real reason is bees! Ah! But on a serious note, my biggest accomplishment in my professional career was taking something that took 22 days down to 3 hours, and it saves that company $7 million a year, every year, forever. Then I applied that skill set to my personal finance, and I retired in 15 months and became a millionaire at the age of 28. Then I started this channel and I decided that I would take it seriously. And that's why you should take me seriously. Feel free to reach out to me to talk about our current packages because they're always going to be changing with market demands. And guys, remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you in my inbox. Bum, bum, ba, da, ba, bum, 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 ba, da, ba, bum.